So in this video, we'll be going over the Kazakhstan internet shutdown and the effect that that had on the Bitcoin hash rate. So as you'll recall in the previous, or historically, we have taken a stance on how network hash rate has a sort of a reinforcing effect as the crypto network grows in general. Anytime you have concentrations of crypto mining taking place in any one country, if there are any regulatory problems in that country with respect to Bitcoin mining, like we saw in China, or internet outages, like we're seeing here in Kazakhstan, you'll have the case scenario in which hash rate will slump, and that'll normally be what'll follow shortly after is asset value, depreciation as well for Bitcoin. But shortly after, either by way of it regaining, hash rate recovering in that country, or more often than not, hash rate migrating to other regions, will not only improve the price, but will actually end up strengthening the network overall. Why? Because you end up having smaller and smaller, or I guess you could say the better way to look at this is further fractionalization of hash rate on a per country basis. And this article just goes over that, how first, after the China crackdown, almost about 20% of the mining was taking place in Kazakhstan. And then from that point on, it moved to it dropped to near zero. And this article further reinforces that. All of these will be shared in the bottom of the video link. And then this article goes into the recovery of that hash rate by way of restoration of the internet. And actually, a lot of the data is pointing towards the hash rate that may have been lost for a longer period of time by Kazakhstan did end up going to other mining operators in Australia and the US. So, just to reiterate, in 10, 15, 20 years, we expect that the hash rate will have a greater resilience from any marginal impact from any single country due to this, due to these reasons.